Welcome to Legacy Clinics, a quite magnificent, clean and friendly medical environment. Situated 15 kilometers along Kigali-Kayonza Highway, Legacy Clinics is open from Monday to Sunday, running from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. A highly specialized outpatient medical facility, now over 2 years in operation. Come experience a variety of world-class medical services, all provided under one roof by highly specialized and experienced doctors and nurses. We take a deeper look at what makes Legacy Clinics quite competitive. Dr. Ndizeye, the medical director, and Ms. Mariam, the head of operation, explain how this is done at Legacy.
Uyu munsi Legacy dukora mu buryo buri medical ari ama department ane. Ama department ane harimo clinical plaza, uko abaganga basuzuma, harimo specialty nyinshi, hafi specialty zose ziri mu Rwanda muzisanga ngaha, gyne, pediatrics, internal medicine, cardiology, dermatology, neurology, zose izo service ushobora kuzisanga aha ngaha muri Legacy, muri clinical plaza yacu. Icyambere dukora nuko byose tubifokasinga ku murwayi. Muganga ntiyavura gusa atunganiwe, niyo mpamvu twatekereje yuko twagira imaging department nziza irimo n'ibikoresho bigezweho yaba CT scan, ultrasound, za OPG, na lab nayo ifasha abo baganga kugira ngo bashobore nabo kunoza neza diagnostic yabo, ku buryo umurwayi uje afite ikibazo runaka ataha afite icyizere, afite n'ubumenyi ku ndwara arwaye, afite n'icyizere cy'uko uburyo ari mu kuvurwa bizamufasha gukira. Ubwo dufite na service y'amenyo nayo yigenga kuri iyo service y'ubuvuzi navuze haruguru. Iyo service y'amenyo irimo kuvura, ariko dufite na service yo gukora ingingo z'amenyo ariyo dental lab. Kugeza amasaha tuvura abarwayi baza bataha, kandi twagaragaje ko turimo kubikora neza, turacyarushaho gukomeza kubinoza, ariko dufite noneho intumbero yo kugira ngo tugire service noneho aho dushobora gucumbikira abarwayi bakeneye ko abantu bakurikiranira hafi, ubwo ndavuga inpatient cyangwa ibitaro. Dukeneye no kugira ngo tugire service y'aho tubagira, aho tubyariza, aho dukurikirana abarwayi b'indembe cyangwa impinja zavutse zifite ibibazo. Iyo niyo ntumbero dufite ubu ngubu. Mu minsi ya vuba rwose mushonje muhishiwe, muraba mufite iyo service, muraba mufite Legacy ifite byose. Twe nk'abaganga icyambere nuko iba ari inshingano zacu kubanza kumenya icyo twifuza naho dushaka kugera n'iminsi. Legacy Clinic icyo dukora dufasha abaganga, tugira amahugurwa ategurwa natwe abaganga ku giti cyacu, izo bita CPD cya Continuous Professional Development. Buri every Friday tugira presentation turuka muri department zitandukanye, bazi benefitinga ni staff bacu ndetse n'abandi baganga bagenzi bacu, ariko tunafasha n'abaganga bacu kwitabira amahugurwa atandukanye, yaba ateguwe mu rwego rw'igihugu cyangwa se ateguwe hanze y'igihugu.
We have built a unique model that gives us good results in a short time. We are one-stop center, which is a model where within the shortest time a patient can access all medical services under one roof. Now, this requires a highly competitive structure where it requested us to invest, and even now we are still investing massively in the key departments, namely in the imaging, laboratory and clinical plaza, both in terms of equipment and personnel. We have simply bundled up all the key medical services together, including the consultation, diagnosis, imaging, laboratory and dental, coupled with teams of experienced doctors and nurses. The customer care units at the clinic complete the puzzle. This is comprised of the help desk, cashiers, and the call center that is powered by an online doctor appointment system designed to ensure the best patient relation experience. I can say we appreciate a lot the recognition of the government for the good service we offer to our country. I would say this award was as a result of the hardworking and the good leadership we have. And of course, we are aware of the challenge before us to sustain the quality and standards we have set ourselves. We build a competitive staff management and development programs intended to perform beyond even our client expectations. We also aspire to build a strong brand by offering competitive medical services not only for Rwandans but East Africans and beyond. We are known for the quality and quick medical services as more concerted efforts continue to go in this area.
At the heart of medical services at Legacy lies customer care. Ms. Nadine, the head of customer care, tells us how. The team of young and motivated men and women serve patients in the quickest and most hospitable way possible.
Notre service clientèle à Legacy Clinics and Diagnostics est composé de 3 équipes. L'équipe première est chargée du call center, le centre d'appel, qui prennent les appels des rendez-vous. Et cette équipe vous recontacte pour vous donner toute information concernant votre docteur et pour vous confirmer votre rendez-vous. La deuxième équipe est composée de réceptionnistes qui accueillent, orientent, guident nos patients qui sont censés venir rencontrer les docteurs ici à Legacy Clinics. La troisième équipe est composée de caissiers qui sont chargés de la facturation parce que après avoir été consulté, le docteur peut vous prescrire des examens à faire et ces examens doivent être payés ici ainsi que la consultation. Nous sommes vraiment très reconnaissants par le prix que nous avons reçu via Aradibi. Vraiment, ils sont reconnaissants par rapport au service que nous donnons à la population rwandaise. Nous vous promettons de toujours veiller à ce que notre bon service de qualité puisse continuer. Ce n'est pas facile de maintenir ce service de bonne qualité, mais nous savons que avec votre aide, avec vos suggestions, avec vos apports, nous pourrions bien maintenir ce bon service pour que nos patients puissent être à l'aise, puissent être bien servis et reconnaître le service qui se passe à Legacy.